Hello, good morning. This is Grace again, GraceDAExplorer, and today I'm going to make a video about this how to commute from Carmona, Cavite to Market and then Accenture office. Okay, this is now my way from Carmona, Cavite to Market, then walking galore to Accenture office. Okay, so from Terra Verde residence, this is my shortcut way. Now, since we have a sticker sa Southwoods, so madali lang sa akin kasi walang traffic. So ito yung pinaka-easiest way talaga sa akin. Then, ayan, so it's a nice place actually ang Southwoods sa loob, no? Walang masyadong tao. And then, as you can see, there's a lot of bikers, no? Kasi early in the morning nga siya, around 6 a.m. And maraming nag-walk dyan, jogging, and so on and so forth. So, ayan. So, right there, that is Southwoods Mall. And then, sa right side, yan yung terminal. So, early in the morning, there are buses around 6 a.m. to 7 a.m. And then, yeah, kung makikita nyo, there you go. So, yan ang bus papuntang Market. Okay, so Market na, hindi ko na na-videohan. So, ito na yung way na papuntang Accenture. Actually, ito yung sa likod, no? Ayan, nasa gilid na tayo ng Market. There you go. Walking lang siguro around 10 minutes from Market to Uptown-3. So, which is yung office ko na sa Uptown-3. Yung Uptown is a mall. Actually, before hindi ko actually alam na Uptown is a mall pala. So, yun, tawid lang. Maraming naglalakad, marami actually in the morning. So, maganda sa morning kasi hindi ganun kainat. And then, yun, lakad-lakad lang. So, around 10 minutes. Yun, kung makikita nyo, malawak naman yung pathway na nilalakaran ng tao. So, there, that's the Accenture building. So, sa ilalim kasi niyan ay mall, which is yung Uptown Mall. And then, lakad ulit. So, exercise talaga. Every Friday, kasi every Friday ang aking RTO, around 7,000 steps ako to 8,000 steps. So, maganda. There you go. That's the Uptown Mall. Yan. So, maraming naglalakad. Sorry, si ate, nakikita talaga dyan. Buti nakatalikod siya. Yan. Marami kasi akong bitbit dyan eh. Meron akong bag, meron din akong laptop. So, ayaw kasi mag-backpack dahil ang sakit ng aking likod. So, that's why kailangan ko ng shoulder bag. And then, there you go, Uptown-3 na. Alright, so yan yung 4th floor. So, ground floor, then going to 4th floor. Yeah, that is 4th floor. Now, as you can see there, Uptown-3. So, from 4th floor going to the floor of our office. So, there. So, mandatory na lalakad ka talaga or tatakbo ka. So, pagdating, of course, ang hinahanap agad ay yung CR. Ayan, yung toilet. Kasi magsasalamin pa si ateng. Now, that is our office. So, it's very nice view. Ang ganda-ganda. See? Nice. Kasi all salamin talaga. And then, siguro, wala pa kaming breakfast noon. Wala pa akong breakfast. Nagpasama ako sa isang kasama ko. So, from 4th floor, bumaba kami ulit. And then, yun yung view na makikita nyo. Nice siya. Hindi pa siya crowded kasi wala pang ganung tao. And then, there's a very, very, very cute chapel. Yeah, Gabriel the Chapel. Very, very nice. And then, that's me. So, habang wala pa kaming ginagawa dyan early in the morning, kung makikita nyo, may kaunti pa lang tao. And then, yeah, gumagawa kami dyan ng pang TikTok. Sorry, hindi ako nagti-TikTok. Reel for Instagram. And it's, nice. Wala lang katuwaan lang, guys. Ayan. So, that's the hidden stairs. Tinatawag ko siya na hidden stairs kasi first time ko lang siya na tuklasan. And it's very nice. As very nice talaga. So, that time, around 7:30 a.m., no, not 7:30, I think mga 8. No, wala pa kaming breakfast, and then nakita namin na walang tao, so nag-photoshoot galore muna kami dyan. No. Ang nice ng place kasi, parang tago siya. So, from fourth floor, bumaba kaming ganyan, dyan sa through stairs. Ayan. And then down there, there's a lot of restaurants na you can choose from. A very nice restaurant. Well, yeah, see. So, there you go. Lots of restaurant. Actually, last Friday ko lang yan nalaman na meron pala dyan. And then, maganda din yung view. Siguro sa gabi, lalong mas maganda siya. And then, ito na yung pauwi. No, lakad pa rin ulit. So, from Uptown-3, going to Market. Kasi from there, may mga buses na napapuntang Alabang, Balibago, and of course, Pasita and Calamba. So, madali lang.